Here's how you can make this fully editable, non-destructive isometric text here in Illustrator. Step 1. Select the type tool. And then I'll go with zoom with black font. Scale it up. Let's go to the pathfinder. And now let's go to the hamburger and need show to need the pie shape. Now let's go to appearance and select fill. Select the color orange. Select stroke, black. Increase the thickness. And make sure to clean the stroke under the frill. It's called the effects restoring transform. Select transform. And you can increase the horizontal and the vertical. And they're gonna create a lot of copy. For example, 60, click OK. I'm gonna drag the stroke to this little plus. So X then duplicate the stroke. Then I'm gonna go to the stroke color here and on the second one and replace the color and increase the stroke thickness even more. I'm gonna click on the stroke, make the corners round. Okay. And now by this level, I'm going to the compound shape. Go to the effects, 3D in materials, 3D graphic, set it 3D graphic. And here, all you need to do is to hold the position, change it to isometric top. There you go. And here we got the fully editable isometric text.